Hi, I'm Alson. I'm 46 years old this year. I'm a financial advisory director. I've been in the business for more than 23 years. Besides working as a financial advisory director, I'm also a sales coach, property investor. I have a lot of achievement, and today I'm proud to introduce myself as Creating Your Miracles graduates. Here is my story. Before CYM, I lost motivation in recruiting and coaching new advisors, as I feel very frustrated that they are not able to get the result that they want. This frustration has slowly eaten me up to the point that I feel weak and useless. Creating Your Miracles is a 4 full-day course. There are a lot of processes and activities that help me to go deep inside myself to find the answer that I need. I've attended many of such courses, but the process in this course is simple to understand, easy to use. I'm glad that I took the time to attend this course, and I managed to find a lot of answers for myself and achieve many breakthroughs during these 4 days. One special moment for me is that we need to lead a dance after every break. When I took on the stage, I was so conscious about how people judge me to the point that I fear and I do not move much. With the trainer's help, I managed to let loose and freely express myself. I've learned that I can perform to my best when I start ignoring how people judge at me. I believe you know that, but to experience it through a simple exercise like this have deepened my belief in it. After Creating Your Miracles, I found new energy and strength to recruit new advisors into my team. I managed to convince 3 senior advisors to join my team right after the course. I no longer hate taking on more coaching sessions. In fact, I'm looking forward and excited for every session that I have with my advisors. That's all I have to share. I know you want to have more success and happiness in your life. If you have actually given all your best, but yet you do not achieve the result that you want, then it's time for you to look inside yourself. I'm so excited for you. I'm looking forward to your breakthrough after the course. See you soon.